The significance of this event today is community engagement, and that's part of the vision statement for the Fairfax County Police Department, is to provide ethical leadership through engagement with the community to accomplish our mission. That's to prevent and fight crime, preserve the sanctity of all human life, and to keep pace with urbanization. And today's issue is about immigration, and it creates a lot of fear and anxiety in the community, and it's great to hear those questions and dialogue to alleviate the fears. Telemundo has great reach into our diverse community, especially the Hispanic community, and they are a conduit to get our message out.
And they're not in that story, and you have within your power to...
This was a robust dialogue today, and clearly there were a lot of community members that have fears, anxiety, or anger, and I hope we achieved the goal today to understand what Fairfax County does on the immigration issue and what it does not do. Unfortunately, the biggest myth is that the police department is part of the administrative immigration enforcement effort throughout the nation. For over 10 years, the Fairfax County Police Department has a solid policy that we are not participating in these administrative raids. Whether you are a resident here, you're just visiting, or working here, we are here to protect and serve you.